Ranakas!
Guys, how do you call a chicken?
Get up, baba! Uzohlaba inkukhu. Hawu, ngizobafundisa namhlanje labantwana bami ukuthi kuhlatshwa kanjani because benza lo msebenzi. Kungena kwaDineo. And mina bengazi nami ngifundele le koGobela. Ngizozibamba ngihlabe inkukhu lezi. Abatshana bakho babahlabe.
Letshwara so the head le khwahla. Chicken. No, serious. I've slaughtered a cow, I've slaughtered a goat, and then tlamele ke lo slaughter a chicken. I get it again in that.
Amra gogo.
Gijimani nibambe.
Gogo mina ngifuna ukwenza lento lena yeza.
I am quite uncomfortable catching this chicken. It's not the chicken, it's the nails.
Guys, I'm going to cry. I'm genuinely excited to catch the chicken. I like the adrenaline. The adrenaline rush was getting to me.
Oh no! Oh no! No!
Hell no! You're hurting her. But it's crying. No, but it's crying.
Okay, Ozani ke. Ozani, kokuthi inkukhu. Hey, landele.
But they have names.
I must learn. My channels must learn how things are done.
That's why. I've been through it before. She wants to she's scared.
I don't want to know her name. Yes. I don't want to know the name of somebody who's going to
Nizoqala ngamanzi abandayo. Asiyeni ke. Vuyo.
So now after catching the chicken, it's time to go slaughter and do what needs to be done. And then after that, give it to the elders so they can pluck them. And they know what to do after that. I think they cook them afterwards, but yeah.
Do we hang it as a decoration after plucking it? What do you mean you think they cook it?
Oh, they know what's happening. They know that they're going to die.
This one. Labantwana kufuneka ngibafundisile because basahamba. Labasaya kude. Basothola amadoda, bathola imizi, bathola bomama zalo.
Nope, this is not what I signed up for.
No. Not like that. Not like that.
I'm not watching this. I'm sorry.
It's too of an extreme sport for me.
Vuyo.
Oh, my God. Rakhathi watsiba ukhathi engathi ngiyamthemba nyana yebo uthando uyo engathi ngiyamthemba KG akakwazi nokuyibamba inkukhu ubaleka nayo mayishona le nayo ishona le.
I'm sorry, this is a trigger. I can't do it. I'm so sorry.
UKG igwala lokuqala nokugcina.
Oh my gosh.
This knife is not sharp enough.
R.I.P. that chicken.
Indele ndlela yalabantwana bami ene bonke bayafana bizukulwana bami angazi bayofunda makuthiwane. I really don't know.